hope you're well. So how can we be reasonably sure that a client is not pregnant? So there are various situations or instances that you can be sure that one is not pregnant, and we'll try to look at them. We'll do around 6, then we'll call it a lecture. So one, if she has had a baby less than 6 months ago and is fully or nearly breastfeeding and has had no menstrual period since then. So this means one has delivered less than 6 months, then if she was doing exclusively breastfeeding, then if the menses have not yet resumed, at this point you are sure that she's not pregnant. Then 2, she has abstained from sexual intercourse since her last menstrual period or delivery. So if one has delivered, or another instance, she has not engaged in sexual intercourse since her last menstrual period, we are sure she's not pregnant. Then another thing, if she has had a baby in the last 4 weeks. So if she delivered in the last 4 weeks, at this point we are sure that she's not pregnant. Then instance 4 reads about her menstrual period started within the past 7 days or within the past 12 days if she plans to use IUCD. That's another instance. Then another instance, if she had miscarriage or abortion in the past 7 days or within the past 12 days if she plans to use IUCD. Then finally, if she has been using a reliable contraceptive methods consistently and correctly. So at this point we say that we are sure that the client is not pregnant. So there is no need of doing the pregnancy diagnostic test. So there are 6 instances. If you have any question, you can just post it down, then we'll try to answer. Okay. Then just a point for you, you ought to know that pelvic exam is necessary except to rule out pregnancy of more than 6 weeks. So it's always measured from the client's last menstrual period or even to screen for cervical cancer. Then pregnancy testing is not essential except in the following cases. 1, the woman answered no to all questions on pregnancy checklist. Then 2, it's difficult to confirm pregnancy, that is if it's 6 weeks or less from the last menstrual period. Then 3, the results of pelvic exam are equivocal. So we talk of the client is overweight, making it difficult to size the uterus. So in this situation, it's always sensitive that you do urinary pregnancy test or even ultrasound, which might be helpful. Okay, so if all this is readily available and affordable, we have to do that. Then if the pregnancy is not available, you need to counsel the clients to use barrier methods or abstain from sexual intercourse until her menses occurs or pregnancy is confirmed. So that's how we can reasonably be sure that one is not pregnant. Thank you.